One of the biggest things for people is they feel like you can see the extensions in the back of their head. So no matter what you do, take the time to take this section of your hair and the extensions themselves, and at that very least take the top row and flat iron them, holding the top of the extension. And because my extensions are about 4 months old, I already combed through this, so this is what's supposed to cover the back of my hair. The other thing you can do is once you do this, you'll back comb just above your extension, hairspray a little bit on top to make it so it disappears. I honestly can't see the back of my head, but there. But let me show you this. I lost an extension. It's gonna be very normal at 4 months. 3 months even. But don't stress out. Only thing I end up doing is having to pinch and feel around to see which one is gone. But anyway, that's a normal occurrence.